Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says which one of the following is matched correctly? Option A, potato, rhizome. Option B, ginger bulb. Option C, Chlamydomonas gonorrhea. Option D, rose stem. So let us understand the question. It is asking which one of the following is matched correctly. So which of the following is matched correctly? So we have to look for the correct match. Option A says potato rhizome. So what are they talking about? They are, in every case, if you see, they have given the plant as well as the structure which are used for vegetative propagation. But are they both matching? So let us see. Potato. Okay. So potato and they have given rhizome. Okay. So if you talk about potato, they actually reproduce from the tubers. Okay. They reproduce from tubers. These are nothing but the modified stem. And these contain tiny structure called as eyes. And these will give rise to new plants. Okay. They don't reproduce by rhizome. Okay. Rhizome is found in case of, again, rhizome is a type of modified stem only, which is underground stem. Even tubers are underground stem. But rhizomes are different with respect to the tubers. Rhizome, for example, in case of ginger, you can say, in case of ginger, you can find rhizome, that is a modified fleshy stem, which consists of the nodal region, and the nodal region will give rise to buds, and okay, these will contain the nodal region. Nodal region. These will contain or give rise to buds. These will give rise to buds, and buds will form new plant. New plant. Okay, and that is how the rhizome are utilized or are used for the production of vegetative plants in case of ginger, not in potato. Hence, option A is not a correct match. Option B says ginger bulb. So just now we saw that ginger reproduced by what? Rhizome, right? And what about bulb? Bulb is a reproductive structure. Okay, if you see bulb, it is a reproductive structure in case of, for example, like bulb forming plants, for example, onion, garlic, etc. Okay, these bulbs are made up of fleshy leaves. Okay, thick fleshy leaves. These consist of thick fleshy leaves. Okay, layers of leaves, not one leaf. It is like layers of leaves which forms a bulb. Okay, and these leaves enclose. Okay, fleshy leaves enclosing a bud. Okay, these leaves enclose, they'll be like this, and in the center they'll enclose a bud. And this is how they reproduce. That is what is called as that entire structure is called as the bulb. Okay, but that doesn't happen or it is not used in case of ginger. Hence it is ruled out. What about option C? Option C says Chlamydomonas gonorrhea. So what is Chlamydomonas? So option C is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Okay, what are these? These are a type of Chlamydomonas is a type of algae. Okay, algae. And these produce or reproduce by spore formation. Spore formation. Okay, formation. But they have matched with conidia. So conidia, what is conidia? Conidia, these are special structures which are found in fungus. Okay, certain types of fungus. And example, if you want, example is penicillium. Penicillium, you can find the formation of conidia. Okay, this is again a reproductive structure which will give rise to spores, and spores will germinate into new fungus. Okay, but then Chlamydomonas are algae, whereas conidia are found in fungus. Hence, this match is incorrect. What about option D? Option D is rose and stem. Option D is rose. Okay, rose, how do they reproduce? Of course, they have sexual reproduction by the fusion of gametes, but asexually, how do they reproduce? They reproduce by stem cutting. Okay, stem cutting. The mainly is stem cutting because these stems also have tiny buds which will give rise to new plant. So option D is correctly matched. Okay, So according to the question which says which one of the following is correctly matched, it is option D. So let us conclude. So what is the answer? The answer is option D. That is rose and stem. Rose can be reproduced by utilizing the stem. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you everyone.